Everything you need to know about affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is one of the world's most popular methods of generating passive income online, and it continues to grow. Affiliate marketing is a sales platform with multiple stakeholders. The sales process is commission-based and the amount of commission is previously agreed between the seller and partner. Affiliate marketing is a performance-based marketing system that basically involves four distinct elements: the merchant, the affiliate, the consumer and the network. The merchant, also known as a seller or retailer, is an individual or a business that sells a product or provides a service. The merchant and affiliate marketer collaborates to promote the products and services. The affiliate is an individual who promotes products and services and gets commission on each sale. The affiliate works with the merchant to promote the merchant's products and services. The affiliate creates marketing campaigns that use ads, links and banners to find buyers for the merchant's products and services. The consumer. In affiliate marketing, the consumer is a person who uses goods or services to satisfy his or her needs. The network, also called program or platform, acts as an intermediary between the merchant and the affiliate. The network is completely digital and requires varying levels of involvement from both the merchant and affiliate. Affiliate marketing has now become one of the most popular ways of making money online. However, many people still have questions about how an affiliate program works and how they could get started in affiliate marketing. Affiliates are typically paid whenever a visitor creates a transaction, such as a click, form submission, or sale. Affiliate marketing is mostly performance-based, which means you only get paid as an affiliate if your visitor takes an action. If you want to become a successful affiliate marketer, you must understand the dynamics of affiliate marketing. It is easy to understand that every business wishes to scale up its revenues by attracting more customers. Since affiliate marketing is all about bringing in more customers, businesses see it as an important revenue stream. Some common affiliate marketing models are: pay per click. The affiliate gets paid for all clicks that were generated, regardless of whether a lead or sale happened. This is fairly rare since all the risk is on the product creator. Pay per lead. The affiliate gets paid for every lead they generated. This could be an online form submission, trial creation, or any pre-purchase. This is a shared risk on both the merchant and the affiliate. Pay per sale. The affiliate gets paid for every sale they generated. This is the most common model since all the risk is on the affiliate. How to start affiliate marketing. Choose a platform and niche. To be an affiliate, you need to have influence. Establishing a website or blog that specializes in a niche is the best way to establish influence. Whether you focus on finance, personal health, business, or even dogs, a niched blog or website will help you gain influence and build an audience. Affiliate marketers build audiences through blogs, via newsletters, or even on YouTube or other social media channels. Build an audience. A large and engaged audience is a highly valuable asset for any blog or website. Having people who read, view, and engage with your content can help you make affiliate income. The best way to build an audience is to first establish who your target audience is, and you can find your target audience by researching competitors, monitoring your traffic, and conducting first-hand research by talking to subscribers and customers. Once you establish this group, grow and cultivate your loyal online audience through targeted content and emails. Give your audience a reason to read and engage with your content, and they'll find a reason to purchase your recommended products, too. Sign up for an affiliate program that you identify with. The best way to get started with affiliate marketing is by signing up for an affiliate program like ClickBank. After signing up, you will get an affiliate link that contains a unique ID. You can then use this link in your content. There are typically no upfront costs when it comes to joining an affiliate program, but your variable ongoing costs will depend on how you want to promote the products. If you choose to outsource content or run ads, those are costs that will come out of your money. Choose which products to promote. Choosing the right product to promote, working with the right company, fostering relationships, and updating content are all core essentials of excelling at affiliate marketing. There are two important rules when it comes to affiliate marketing you should always keep in mind. Only recommend products as an affiliate that you're extremely very familiar with. If you are not confident in the product and do not feel it will help people, do not promote it. Never tell anyone to directly buy a product. Always recommend products based on your experience and in the context of what you've done. Create great content that promotes your affiliate products. To see the best success with affiliate marketing, you need to create genuine and remarkable content that promotes your chosen products. Regardless of what kind of content you create, ensure it features authentic reviews and mentions of your affiliate products. Avoid discussing and promoting products you haven't used yourself. Optimize and track. Whenever your visitor clicks on your unique affiliate link, a cookie is inserted in their browser to track actions. When they make a transaction that is a qualified action that could be a sale or a lead, the merchant is able to record this action and attribute it to you as an affiliate so they can make a payout. You should also track your own affiliate content to see what has performed well and what you can improve and promote. Understanding what content resonates best with your audience will show you what to focus on for future affiliate marketing opportunities. Get paid for your promotion. There are different structures when it comes to payout, which varies based on affiliate program terms. Commission payouts by the company are usually given on a monthly basis, but this varies depending on the affiliate program terms. It could be a weekly payout or a monthly payment for all the leads or sales you have made. You will want to pay attention to the payout structure when choosing an affiliate program to join, which ultimately depends on the goals you have. You might want to understand the commission structure of the company or product creator. Are you looking for a commission per sale or commission per lead generated? Are you looking at a recurring commission or a one-off payment? Depending on your goals, this will affect which product you choose, how you plan to promote the product as well as how much time and resources you want to invest. If you choose to promote your content via paid ads, then that's a cost you have to account for. You will have to compare how much you have spent to promote each piece of content or to generate each purchase against how much commission you are getting for each referred sale. Also, if you have a blog and website, then you will have to pay for hosting. In this case, this should be a flat fee spread out across all your referred sale. Common mistakes new affiliates make. The idea of getting a big commission for something as simple as deciding to promote a product on your website or blog is enough to make some new affiliates get ahead of themselves. When all you focus on is money, you're unlikely to read the terms and conditions properly. If you then end up violating those conditions, it won't matter how much traffic you send to the offer. Your affiliate partnership can be revoked at a moment's notice if you go against the terms. You should read the documentation attached to any product or service you use or promote. As a marketing affiliate, it's your responsibility to represent the merchant and the affiliate network in a positive light. Claiming all products are amazing just to get someone to buy the product will not only hurt your relationship with your audience, it may make it hard to get paid. So make sure you read the appropriate instructions, make sure you genuinely support the product, and create genuinely helpful content. Whether you reach out by email or social media, your audience will be much more receptive to genuine help than constant sales efforts. Strategies for affiliate marketing. Organic Facebook marketing. Posting in groups and on personal profiles gets better reach than posting to business pages, so many marketers are focusing their energy in those two places. Groups are a great way to connect with your target audience. You can either create your own group and build a community in it or join other groups and connect with others in them. In groups that you own, you get to make the rules. Some groups can be joined as a business page, but many require that you use your personal profile. Once you have met someone in a group and mutually added them as a friend, you can market to them via timeline posts, direct messaging, and by inviting them to follow your business page. Posting images or videos gets better reach than posting plain text. Because of this, many marketers prefer to post an image or a video and then deliver their link either in the comments or via direct messaging. The best way to make new friends from groups is to help people answer questions and making posts that teach or inspire others. If you do this right, people will already know and trust you by the time you send them a friend request. But don't forget this aspects about affiliate marketing on Facebook. Posting actual affiliate links can get you in trouble, so it's best to use a URL shortener or a redirect. A lot of newbies do this, so you really have to be careful about where you post and why. You could get reported and/or kicked out of groups if others think you're trying to game the system rather than providing real value. Facebook can be a flaky platform. Even if you follow all the rules, you could still end up getting your account banned. Don't rely on this strategy exclusively because it makes you dependent on Facebook as a platform. Facebook advertising. Advertising on Facebook can be profitable for affiliate marketers, e-commerce owners, and just about anyone else with a Facebook-friendly product to sell. However, it's best to send your audience to a bridge page or a landing page. A bridge page is a simple web page that features any links you want people to click on. A landing page uses a lead capture form and then redirects the visitor either to the offer's sales page or to a thank you page that advertises it. To increase your odds of success advertising on Facebook, follow these steps. Take a paid course with up-to-date lessons that covers how to run Facebook ads comprehensively. If it also focuses specifically on how to use them for affiliate marketing, so much the better. Study material on blogs, YouTube, and in Facebook groups related to running ads in your niche. You can avoid a ton of common mistakes just by paying attention to what other people do wrong, and by reading and understanding Facebook's ad policies. Use a Facebook pixel to track visitors and set up your email marketing campaigns in advance so that you can retarget and/or create lookalike audiences. YouTube marketing. As the second biggest search engine on the internet, YouTube is a powerful marketing channel for anyone who can create appealing content consistently and adopt best practices for SEO. With people spending more time on YouTube via both computers and mobile devices, optimizing for traditional search and voice search becomes a factor. Because of YouTube's robust analytics, getting consistent watch time and social shares is also important. The bottom line here is that you need to put helpful and interesting content on YouTube consistently in order to succeed there. If you want to build a presence on YouTube, start with the content and everything else will follow with time. There are a ton of approaches you can take on YouTube, from doing reviews of affiliate products to creating partner videos for your blog posts to creating guided meditations. Like blog posts, YouTube videos are much more permanent than social media posts, and may continue getting you affiliate sales long after you post them. Here are some main points to get started with video marketing on YouTube. Install the vidIQ browser extension and use their free keyword research tool to find out how many internet users are searching for your target topics. Include your main keyword for each video in the title, tags, and description. Make sure you say it verbally near the beginning of the video as well, assuming your video has speaking in it. Use attractive thumbnails and promote your videos immediately after publishing, as views within the first 24 hours seem to affect future organic reach. If you like the idea of appearing on video, or even the idea of creating videos that you don't appear in, YouTube marketing might be a great path towards affiliate income. Blogging. Blogging is the practice of creating blogs that gain a devout following and become easy to monetize as a result. Blogs can write a combination of product reviews, interest pieces, and educational articles in order to attract an audience that knows, likes, and trusts them. Blogging is also a great way to build a responsive email list, because each blog post is a unique opportunity to offer a lead magnet. This form of marketing works wonders, but it can take a long time to make money by comparison to other methods, but every single strategy has its merits. If you like the idea of using a combination of affiliate marketing strategies such as social media, blogging, and other digital marketing tactics, This can be a good business choice for you. But keep in mind that you are building a business. There will be a lot of hard work involved.